Hello, YouTube and fellow beard aficionados. I have a problem. I just got off of work and boom! You can see that. OSHA regulations for a machine shop say that a beard should not go beyond 4 inches from your chin. So I'm pretty sure that that's a couple inches long. Now the mask has been able to, mask it for a while now, but I'm gonna trim my beard. Let's do it! We're in the bathroom and I'm gonna trim. Got my handy dandy little roller here. So you can see from the chin, I still got I'm at just about 4. But if you got a beard, you know how the split ends and stuff get a little bit unruly. So we're just gonna go ahead and trim it up. Detangle. I use scissors. So once I'm okay with the bulk length, cut back, you go ahead and form it on the sides. Again, I've seen trimmers used for this, but I prefer to use scissors. It's a little bit more work, but at the same time, you don't have to worry about the trimmers ripping your face off. Sorry for the bad angle. I didn't bother to dig out a tripod. This was just kind of one of those impromptu things. I had to shape the beard, so I might as well film it. My girlfriend will be very disappointed. Yours will too. See, it's a little bit longer on this side yet. To trim that up.
said the things you want me to might lead to someone else but you.
Usually what happens when I trim a significant amount off the beard, a day or so afterwards, I'll be running my fingers through it and realize, oh, there's some long hairs. And that's fine. You're not going to see all that on your first go. And you're not getting it professionally done either. So it's all good. Go. Panoramic beard. How's that? What you definitely don't want is to make mess. Check that out. Well, if you're anything like me, after you get your hair cut, any hair, you gotta take a shower. I gotta take a shower. It drives me nuts. No, there's hairs all over the place. But after that, you want to use like an anti-frizz or something with like argan oil or something to soften it up, condition the beard. Should be, you got a beard about this size, you won't be doing that anyways, but it's make sure that gets all through. Now, I'm sure this hasn't been the best guide. I'm not gonna call it the best guide or anything, but if you're one problem that I run into is if I stand in front of the mirror and I'm going through and looking as I'm trimming, I could stand there forever and just chip, 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 chip. Oh, that's not quite straight. That's not quite equal. Da 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 da. You see it, and you're gonna chop your whole beard off. Take a deep breath. Like I said, there's gonna be some stragglers. It's not gonna be perfect, 100%. You're gonna feel that, like I feel one right there. But who's gonna see that? That